Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure iCloud Photos is on and originals are backed up. This protects edits. Once done, open Photos and pick the album or images you want to improve. Tap Edit, then choose Apple AI or the Enhance control to initialize automated analysis. This runs face, scene, and lighting detection. You'll see suggested edits immediately, except one to preview. Make sure to leave originals intact so you can revert if needed. Once the AI provides suggestions, inspect exposure, color balance, and detail boosts. These are often good starting points. You should adjust sliders manually, exposure by 1/2 stop increments or temperature in small steps, because AI can overcorrect. Use selective edit tools to target faces, skies, or backgrounds. This preserves skin tones while enhancing contrast elsewhere. If you want a different mood, toggle between AI variants, and you finish by exporting in the resolution and format you need. Hike saves space, JPEG increases compatibility. Once done, save a duplicate if you plan alternate edits. Otherwise, no revert to original returns the unedited file. If the AI produces artifacts or freezes, force close photos and reopen, or sign out and back into iCloud to reset analysis. As a final check, inspect skin tones and sharpness at 100% to ensure the automated changes match your intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.